Practice 6-1, configuring archive log mode. As part of a lecture, I showed you how to configure your database in archive log mode. I will show you one more time. I opened up new terminal session, and I will connect to host 01, and I will set environment variable, and I will check the location of an instance. And in the current location, ORCL5 is running. And I will log in as a sysdba. And I'm going to run archive log list. So my current database archive log mode is no archive log mode. So my goal is configuring my database in archive log mode. So in a RAC environment, how can you configure your database in archive log mode? So I will exit out, and I will run srbctl stop database -db orcl. So meaning that I will stop all instances of a RAC database. Once database instances are stopped, I will verify, and I will start up instance on host 01 up to mount state. Okay. So now I will log in as a sysdba, and I will start only a single instance of the mount state. And then I'm going to configure database in archive log mode. So for that purpose, I'm going to run alter database archive log. And this is the command. I will verify. Okay, done. It's very simple. So once you complete this, I will shut down this instance and to start up all instances of Oracle database. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, almost done. Okay, now I will exit out. I'm going to run srbctl start database -db orcl, hit enter. Okay, so now let me double check. Database -db orcl logos. Okay, as you can see, all database instances are up and running, and also services are up and running. And this is a practice 6-1.